If you are a fan of all things legal drama, then listen up because I have a new series that will excite you all. May I introduce you all to Reasonable Doubt.
Jax, you babysitting that drink, girl.
Okay, who's getting the next round?
You ain't nothing but a...
I am a bit overwhelmed right now.
I'm trying to be a good friend.
I'm a good mother. Clearly, I'm not being a good wife.
It's just a trial separation, Jax.
I didn't get married to sleep alone. It's been a long time. I hear you're planning to admit to a crime you didn't commit. You'll be saying you're a criminal.
I thought you liked criminals.
Hulu's newest series, Reasonable Doubt, centers around criminal defense attorney Jax. Now, everybody is questioning her about her ethics and her interpretations of the law.
You should know at the end of the day, I love criminals.
Let's talk about, women in law. What values and worth ethics can our viewers see from that?
Well, you know what? I mean, Jax Stewart is a powerful criminal defense attorney. She is about her business. She's very smart. She's the smartest person in the room. She's already 10 steps ahead of you. She's already thought out a plan before you've come into the room. So I think she's an excellent representation of women who are in law, who do their jobs very well and take their jobs seriously.
There's an issue with a former employee of mine. All I know is I'm looking guilty of a crime I didn't commit.
He cheated on his wife with her.
The crime is murder, not infidelity.
Well said, counselor.
Well, if this series sounds like another scandalous show, it's because it's directed by none other than Kerry Washington. I want to know, as far as our fans out there that love the Scandal series, what are some similarities that they can see?
I don't think Kerry's gonna put her name on something, where she doesn't see a little piece of herself, and Jax is a very strong, powerful woman. But I think at that point, that's where the similarities end because, Jax is her own woman. And working with Kerry, it was just so wonderful. Her having the whole experience and world of Scandal, she brought so much insight to me and experience and advice that was just so helpful to have along the entire way.
Let's talk about Kerry Washington and Ramla Muhammad. I want to know a little bit about the creative process, the creative freedom that they gave you when on set. What is that like?
There's something about acting that oftentimes you'll leave the set being like, I should have done this, or, and now I understand what the scene's about. Yeah. But with Kerry, she's sort of like, try this, or why don't you just go F with her? Like, just try to screw the scene up. And so to get that from a director who's, a legendary actress, there was an understanding that she knew that she wasn't going to let me leave the set without having tried every option.
I want people to feel changed and moved and more in touch with themselves.
I bet you broke a lot of hearts back in your day.
Why I gotta be back in the day?
I don't want to be some amusement park to you.
What do they call it? Black girl magic?
In criminal law, you gotta play in court and out of it. And no matter what I said, at the end of the day, I love criminals.
You can stream Reasonable Doubt now on Hulu.